name's Mike and I'm here to talk to you about the Fiesta ST that we've got here. This is the brand new Ford Fiesta ST. The one that we've got here in our showroom is the Ford Fiesta ST3 with a few optional extras. So coming on the inside of this particular ST, we've got the Recaro bucket seats, which is the Alcantara and leather. As you can see with the bucket design, it holds me perfectly in this sporty car. We've also got the signature Ford Fiesta ST steering wheel with the flat bottom. And with the ST3, we also find features such as the heated seats, the Ford Navigation Sync 3 system, which I'll go into. And we've also got the automatic headlights, rain sensing wipers, the auto dimming rear view mirror, and like with all Fords, we've got that lovely heat it from windscreens that Ford are famous for. If we take a look at the different driving modes, we've got normal drive mode, sport drive mode, and for track use only, track mode. And also I'll run you through just the basics of the Sync 3 system in the car as well. So with the Sync 3 system, we've got a few things that I'd like to run through. We've got the DAB radio, which can be accessed through the audio settings. We've also got Bluetooth connectivity, which again you can also play your phone music through. And you've also got the very intelligent Ford navigation system. This enables Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And along with the Sync system, we've also got the B&O Play sound speaker system, which allows really clear audio even at high volumes. Now if you want to join me outside of the car, I'll talk a little bit about the exterior features that this car has. So coming to the front of the car, we've got the ST3 front bumper, which is a very aggressive style. This particular model, we've also gone for the optional LED headlights, which I always recommend. And with the ST3, we've got the 18-inch diamond cut wheels as well. Really sets this car apart on the road. So coming to the rear of the car, with the STs, we've got the LED rear lights. We've also got the rear sensors, the dual exhaust, and as part of the ST3, we've also got the rear camera. This is a fantastic spec car and I can't wait for you to see it in our showroom. Talking about the rear of the car, coming to the back seats, we've got plenty of room here. Again, following the style from the Recaro front seats, we've got the part leather and part Alcantara seats, and as you can see, plenty of room. Now in the Fiesta ST3, you've got the rear electric windows, which is really nice to have. Now one thing that this car doesn't have is the optional sunroof, which you can get on the all-new Fiesta ST. So that is a quick rundown of our Ford Fiesta ST3 that we've got here in our showroom. This is a fantastic example of what Ford and their performance and technology team work together. This car is worth having a look at, and if you want to come in and have a look, visit us on Canal Road in Trowbridge or give us a call on 01225 752 525 to book in your test drive. Thank you very much for your time and I look forward to seeing you in our showroom.